Okay, go.
And remove the halo somewhere else. And welcome to part 2.
No, just say part 1.
Part 1?
Yeah,
Dude,
just
gotta
start.
have 20 giants. I don't need 20 giants. Now I don't have any
And
monsters.
Whatever.
this is Halo MegaBlox. See? We got at Target. Okay, you got it. And it says Halo there. Yay. Look at the bit.
Alright, now what are we going to do?
No, this is a QR code.
The QR code?
Yeah, QR reader.
I have no idea. Alright, look out. Here comes the knife. Go open it up.
Oh, let's open it up.
Guys, should I upgrade the giants or the archers?
I would choose either. Depends on what you want. Alright, go ahead and open it up.
Alright. See the side. Let's open it up. Wow. Take it out. Open the pieces. And there's a little background. Oh, there's not a background. It's this. Let's look at it.
How to make it.
Oh, right. It's already made.
Yeah, everything is already made, so take all your little pieces out and play with them. Show her what it is. Explain.
This is a Halo, man. And we have Halo 4 at Xbox, right?
Yeah.
Pop out the body. Pop it out. Just how hard to pop it out. But he's looking down.
I don't need 20 giants. That's it. There's no one to
Hello. You take his leg.
Hey, don't yank his leg off, man.
I know, but you're... Alright.
Alright,
This
we're
is
having a
still
hard time
part 1.
popping stuff out, so I'll help out.
People keep messing with the video thing, so we have to keep quitting, right?
I know.
So we can...
There you go. Get him out.
This is part 2, right?
Don't yank his arm off.
Ah.
Oh, his arm fell off.
Oh.
There you go. And
Alright.
here's some very interesting space guns.
Yeah.
About that.
So, we're going to put it on YouTube. We're
I
going to
don't know, we might.
part 1 on YouTube.
Wow, hard for you to take even the pieces off. It's kind of ridiculous.
I know, it's hard to take the arm, the pieces off the body. Hello?
So here's a grenade.
It's a grenade. Okay, we have guns.
And then
Look
there's
at the
this.
guns.
Alright, now make it.
Let's take it off. Ah, take it off.
Dude, don't take his arm off. Put an arm on.
Alright. On. But that is showing us how to build it. So we're going to build it?
No, just put the arm back on and then it's built. Good.
Yay, we built it.
Good job, you.
See? We
How
have
about
it.
these parts? Open that up.
Let's open it up. Alright, there's a huge bag. See? Huge bags are full of stuff that we don't know yet. Open it
Don't
up.
loosen on the floor, dude.
We have all this stuff. Here's empty bag. Oh, we forgot one thing.
Oh, don't. That one's hard to get out.
Really?
Yeah, you have to push it a certain way. Here, hold this.
Alright. And now we have...
Oh, there you go.
So, yeah. Here's the thing that we took out. No.
Alright.
And here's a spaceship, I think. And this is something.
Alright, learn how to do it now. Figure it out, dude.
What? I had to build this body back up. Hello. Hello. Hello there. And Halo.